오, 사심 보셨어요?
Pati des mangda ja.
어디서 사심도 고 차시게 따디. One, two, start. Hello, Mesha.
Hello. We're making chai today.
Yeah,
We're using the red label tea,
red label
and we put it in here in the pot
in pot
with the water.
with the water only.
So
Then?
far, you let it boil,
Oh,
and then you add the fresh cardamom pods,
cardamom,
fresh ginger.
fresh ginger,
We'll do that. Some sugar,
sugar, organic sugar,
and then whole milk.
whole milk. Oh, delicious.
Okay.
Okay, let's start now.
Okay. It's almost time to add
Almost time to
cardamom pods and ginger.
cardamom. Okay.
Okay. We
How
snap
many pieces cardamom?
Just a handful. And then you crack them open. You kind of open them up.
Okay.
You open them up.
Wow.
You open them up and release. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
One. I see how many. People don't know how many.
I don't.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you crack them open and release is how I was taught. You crack them open.
I say something for Tibetan words, okay?
Okay.
Meshal re. Tini kogi cha shimboji se wasa ngazola. Ngazo dil tab minda kogi tab kelesh. You bring this stove, yeah? Kogi tab kelesh, ra?
Hot plate.
Hot plate?
Hot plate.
Ale.
Yeah, just a little tiny miniature stove.
Ale.
See?
They have a lid?
See, a little hot plate. It's this. It's this.
Ale, this one?
That's it.
Wow.
Yeah.
나도 늘 탑니다. 룽알라 탑민도. 메살기 탑당. 오마나 차단 켈리샤. Who teach you make chai?
Ayurvedic doctors.
수?
Dr. Rajesh Koteka.
알레.
Dr. Milalad.
Milalad.
Dr. There's Ayurvedic doctors that would visit United States,
알레.
and they taught me how to cook.
오. 드린 거 님을 lunch 신부실 켈리샤. 기질리. You make 기질리야? Today lunch? 다 자식 타이밍에서. I will introduce Mr. Ran. Hello.
That's right.
Ryan, little bit shy. We both are try tea, yeah?
Oh yeah.
We shall make delicious chai and we try tea. Wow. Organic rather the milk, whole milk.
Just a minute.
Okay.
Sugar and milk. We'll just let that cook for a minute.
Cook for a minute.
See?
Red label.
Strong.
Strong?
Strong.
Okay.
Let's add milk.
Milk. Hot milk. Oh,
Okay. Ooh.
okay.
Okay. And we have organic sugar.
Organic sugar. Okay.
That's for you.
Let's go here. You do like export? Oh, you are.
And then we'll just let it get a little warm and then we'll enjoy it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Look very nice. 자, 심도고 차시게 따디. Smell also very nice.
Oh.
Chai with cookies.
Yeah.
Wow.
All of them?
Two.
Biscuit.
Yeah. Yeah. Henry told me he doesn't want anything too sweet. And they're not. I think they're, I don't know who makes them.
Ren, you like biscuit? You like cookies?
You like a
Yeah.
biscuit? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Too much.
Too much?
I like them too well.
Perfect.
Is it?
Oh, perfect.
Okay.
자, 신보셨어요. 아,
You gonna
샤노,
make those?
샤노 몇살 차 가르쳤어.
Momos? What are we doing?
Shanu, are you gonna make momos?
I don't know. Pajitesh Mandasha.
But it is mandasha. Now we serve here, here, here. Masala ki chai. Giri, how is chai? Good?
Good.
Delicious.
Absolutely.
Did you get a biscuit, Gary?
Yep.
당아서 로봇도 거의 길고 차는데래. 아니 차지 이까가 돼야 돼 가서. 와, Masala coming. How was Masala tea? So good. 신부 샤다 두사. How was Helly? 신부 샤다 두. Yes. Helly, how was tea? Oh. Oh, fail. 신부 샤다 두사. Okay, today my channel go away, okay?